How to pay credit card using Bank of America online banking. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can pay credit card using Bank of America online banking. So there are several ways you can do so. So we'll go through everyone. So here you can see by the Bank of America themselves, the steps and the ways you can pay your credit card. So the first one is you can do so by logging into their website. So log into their website and then select the Bill Pay tab. Then you can follow the following instructions. So here you will need to select your Manage Pay To or Pay From account. Then after that you will need to go to Bill Pay menu. Then after that you will need to select Add Pay From account. After you do so, follow the instructions by giving your 9-digit routing number and then your account number. After you do so, you can start with the payment. And just follow the prompts and you're good to go. After that, the other way is by doing so from your mobile device. For that, you will need to open up your Bank of America mobile device. Then just log in into your account. After that, select the Make a Payment button. Then you can also tap on Erica icon, that is their chatbot or their simple help bot. And you can say that I want to pay my credit card. Then you can follow the instruction that Erica gives. The other one is you can just go to a financial center or ATM and you can just insert your card to the ATM, then select Make a Payment. Then follow the instructions by putting in your PIN and you're good to go. And the other ways are by phone. You can make a phone call at this number right here. And there is no fee to make this payment by phone. And also by your mail. So you can use the following mailing addresses. And yeah, those are the ways you can pay your credit card using Bank of America. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more and bye-bye.